Okay, now we ready with the template, so let's begin to do fly design. Before you go ahead, make sure to download the image files, font files from resources folders so you can use them for design. Right, first let me begin with front page of the fly design. Before you initiate, let's open the layer panel and click this icon to create another new layer, and double click the layer name and change the name design, and then I'll drag the design layer behind the die-line layer. So guys, keep in mind always die-line layer is above the design layer, and then I'll click here to lock the die-line layer. Then make sure to activate the design layer, and always keep in mind the design part has to be implemented in this design layer. Right, now let's start designing. So when you're doing a text-based design like flyers, brochures, posters, so on, first thing you must do is let's create a text object and arrange them on the design page as you need. Once text objects are arranged, you can play how other design elements like pictures, icons, vectors has to be incorporated on your design page. So let me start from scratch. First let's pick the type tool and create a character basics style text for the heading. So click on the page and let's type modern. In the next line, home, and let's change the font type from here for next bold. So guys, I already attached the font file in resources folder, so simply you can download and install into your PC. Then let me increase the font size, so in here type 52 pt, and then let's align the text object with the safety line. So let me place it over here, and then I just want to reduce the space between these bold text. So tap and hold Alt key and tap top arrow key in the keyboard to adjust the space. Fine. Again with the type tool, let me create another text object for real estate agency, and set the font size a little bit smaller, and then place it under modern home text object. So there we go. Now let me create this text object for price value. To do that, let's make a duplicate of real estate agency text object and rename it price starts at. Fine. As I want all characters to be uppercase, so what I'm doing is first activate the text object and then choose type, change case. Then from here guys, you can choose 4 types of cases like uppercase to change all text characters to capital letters, or to change all text characters to small caps you can choose lowercase, and if you choose title case you can change the first letter of each words to capital, and if you choose a sentence case you can change the first letter of each sentences to capital letter. Right, so let's change it to uppercase. There we go. Now again let's make another duplicate of this text object and place it below, and let me copy the value from my document. So guys, you must type this value here. Okay, there we go. And likewise I am going to create other text objects, so follow my video and do the same. Okay, now I am ready with the front page. Similarly, let's make the second page. To do that, let's make a duplicate of the first page. Before that, open the layer panel and unlock the die line layer. Then activate the artboard tool from here, and from here make sure to turn on this option. And while dragging, hold Alt and Shift key, make a duplicate of the artboard. Right. So guys, let's try with turn off this option and make a duplicate and see what's happened. Right. And then with the selection tool, select all text content and tap delete key. Now again, let's open the layer panel and lock the die line layer. So guys, I am not gonna create the text object from scratch for the second page. In here I have them already, so let me copy them and paste it over here. Right. So what you have to do is you must duplicate the text element from the first page and then rearrange them over here with new text content. So you can make a duplicate of this heading and place it over here, and for the why you choose as an testimonial headings, let's create a character style text object. Right. So you can use whatever the font size as you prefer. It's not mandatory to use the same font size as you see in my screen. Okay. And for this paragraph you can duplicate it from the first page and change the font size, so on. And for the name, let's make a character style text object, and for the below text you can make a paragraph style text object. And for follow us on modern home text, let's make a character style text object. Right. And be ready with the text content. Then move to my next lecture to learn how to decorate the flyer with design elements like this.